Okurugira Barbara Badalu omuhandiiki mukuru w'ekibiina ekinagira ngo okutungura ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'okurwanisa obutabanguko bw'omu maka nikyo ky'okubandizaho.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, we realized there was a rise in gender-based violence. We realized that the environment was wasting away. One, we were at home. And being at home, you start noticing the nitty-gritties. So the theme for this youth camp was the future of young workers amidst the COVID-19 pandemic.
Brothers and sisters, please keep yourself. Mind about productivity in your workplace. Because tomorrow, when you are asking salary, the employer will ask you, please, can we check the balance sheet? What have we made? So be mindful about productivity.
Orusurko runo rw'okumarebero bitanaho muri Mbarara kandi okurugira Peter Werike mukuru w'ekitongole kya National Traders Union kandi obira ry'omugambi mukuru nagira ngo eminyeeto eshemeriire kuba eky'okureeberaho omu byanga byabo.
This is a new wake-up call from these young people who have been sensitized about renewing our climate change levels. And how are they going to renew it? They are saying they want to endeavor that in their way of thinking, they will start planting 50 trees every month.
One of the things we have agreed in this youth camp is that each one of us should go and plant at least 5 trees every month so that we can conserve our environment.
Orusurko runo rubaho buri mwaka n'ekigendererwa cyo kuhera eminyeeto mu miringo etari emwe n'emwe kandi aho muri Mbarara eminyeeto eri kuhingura 200 niyo rwetabiremu. Aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.